Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got a really exciting product to show you for all you PlayStation Portal fans out there. It's the Joyturn Full Protective Case Cover compatible with PlayStation Portal Remote Player. This case is an absolute game changer when it comes to protecting your PS5 handheld console. Let's talk about the features. This case comes with a detachable front shell and a back case with a frosted handheld design in white color. It provides full protection for your PlayStation Portal, which is perfect for when you're on the go or even just at home. One of the standout features is the detachable front cover for the Portal screen. This is a game changer in terms of security for your console, especially when traveling. The frosted handheld back case with a kickstand is also a great addition. It provides a comfortable grip and allows you to easily place your console on a desktop at any time. This case is compact, convenient, ultra slim, and lightweight, making it the perfect companion for your on-the-go gaming needs. And the best part? You get a 1-year free replacement warranty and quick customer support. So, if you want to take your PlayStation Portal gaming experience to the next level and keep your console safe and secure, I highly recommend checking out the Joyturn Full Protective Case Cover. I've left a link in the description below for you to check it out. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. And be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.